Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Ram ProMaster 2500 159-inch wheelbase with a VMI conversion with a rear entry ramp. Now its ProMaster is white in color. It's bright white. It is a high top, so you got plenty of headroom when you get in there. You got privacy glass throughout on both sides, which is nice. Have the whole world staring in at you. Getting the interior here, we did have this equipped with the front two buckets, premium cloth, premium vinyl, I should say. Nice seats. Now the new ProMaster, I love the 10.1 touchscreen radio. This has actually got navigation in here as well. Very friendly system. It's got Uconnect 5 hands-free telephone system with it. Cruise control. Now this van is also equipped with a power kneeling option, which I'm going to show you, and that is actually ran by an air pump. This van is actually equipped to hold several passengers, at least 2 wheelchairs down here. You can have there's seating for 4 right here. You'll see these chairs here. I'll show you in a little bit. They can be moved around on a smart track. And you've got the manual ramp fold out in the rear. Here's all your air gauges here as well for the system. Here's your on-off switch. It's going to be for the AC, or I'm sorry, for the air pump. Hit the parking brake. Come on around here. Oh, better unlock the door here. Open the door and it releases the pressure, which you'll see the van is kneeling. So what that does is just take off the incline for this ramp. So either get your customers in there, family members, or whoever you're using this van for. This van would be great for a transport company. The manual ramps and stuff is less, no electric motors go bad for you. Now here, this is just safety straps on the side, the rubber for this ramp. Now it is shock assisted. And you've got handles on each side, or there's wheels on the front of this here, on the ground. So you can put these down here if you like. Roll it out. Now this ramp is 36 inches wide. It's ADA compliant. Long, it's 7'8", but big deal would be how wide it is, getting everybody's chairs up and down these things. But yeah, that power kneeling just took all that incline off, so it's very easy to get up through here. Now you get into the van, you've got the smart track, which we have retractable straps that you can move around anywhere to tie down your wheelchair, scooter, what have you. Now, what I love about this system here, see there's enough room right here just about for 2 chairs or more. Then you've got these seats right here, they're called smart seats. They're on a track here, you take them right in and out. So you got an extra 4 passengers you can carry, just, you know, if they can just sit here without being in a mobility chair, what have you. But you can also take them all out and probably put 4 wheelchairs in here. Now what we have here are the straps that hold the wheelchairs in. It is a Q strength. They are retractable. Push a button, they come in and out. Makes your job a lot easier. Now we do have rear AC here. And with your Uconnect system here, you've got an assist button to speak to a representative, or you got an SOS button here. It's like a 911. And there you have it. And great for this segment. Big, large sliding side door. And we did have metal running boards put on this side and a shorter one on the driver's side. You have no problem getting people in and out of this. Like I said, it'd be great for a transport company. And we can order these. So if you want more than one, or if this one's gone on down the road, we can get these. There you have it, folks. 2023 VMI Mobility, rear entry ramp, power kneeling, Ram ProMaster 2500. Here at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.